Do you know why you want to set up server-side tracking? Otherwise, you can track your all user data. So like this, you see the direct user so much. 11,000 user on here, new user, and engage is also so much, and you can see on here all revenue is so much revenue on here. So what is actually direct user? So you can check out on here. Direct user mean they already know your website and already visited one time. It's come from paid advertising or whatever else, and then again after 3 or 7 days later again come your website and purchase your product. But this process will not affect paid advertising cause of your cookie lifetime only 3 days on Safari browser. So what you want to do now? So I just select on here, then platform, then browser. As you can see, our direct user is coming from Safari browser. That's why our data is mismatched.